This is the fabric I'm going to be using for this DIY. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. So as you can tell, there's a difference between the right side and the wrong side. And that means, what does that mean? Yay! It's not solid. It's not a solid fabric. Well done if you got that right. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button so you're notified whenever I post a new video. My name is Silen. If you haven't seen my previous no-sew projects, please click the link right here. My previous no-sew project is actually the part 1 of this video because this is the part 2. So in this video, I'm showing you how to make a no-sew skirt, and I made the top no-sew as well in my previous video, so definitely do check it out. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you the top I made. So for this no-sew project, what you need is your fabric, chalk, measuring tape, and your scissors. These are the only 4 items you need for this DIY. This is the fabric I'm going to be using for this DIY. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. So as you can tell, there's a difference between the right side and the wrong side. And that means, what does that mean? Yay! It's not solid. It's not a solid fabric. Well done if you got that right. If you got that right, then you're definitely a returning subscriber or you've seen one of my videos somewhere. So yeah, well done. So this is not a solid fabric because you can clearly see that this is the right side and this is the wrong side. You can't miss it basically. So this is not a solid fabric. I usually love to use solid fabrics in most of my tutorials, but today I fell in love with this fabric as soon as I saw it and I just couldn't resist it. But it is self-finished, and that is something that is non-negotiable. You have to use a self-finished fabric. What do I mean by self-finished? It's a fabric that does not fray. Even when you cut it, it doesn't fray. So that is something that I always look out for. But solid or not solid, it depends on what I want to use the fabric for. So I decided to go for this beautiful fabric today. This is a lycra fabric. That's the name of this fabric. It's lycra. I bought this in a store, but I'm going to check on Amazon if I can find something similar to this or even this exact fabric on Amazon so you guys can purchase it. But if I don't find this exact one, I'm definitely going to put a lycra fabric that is floral and colorful like this in my description box, so definitely check it out. If you want to see how I made this no-sew skirt, please keep watching, and don't forget to check out the no-sew top, the part 1 of this video on how I made a top no-sew with this same fabric. This is the fabric I'm using for this DIY. It's just over half a yard. So what I did was fold the fabric in half, and now I'm marking 1-inch slits along that side of the fabric. I'm just going to keep marking 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch till I get to the end. So it's going to give me like little slits, and that's what I'm actually going for. Having done that, I'm starting from the first marking and I'm measuring 2 inches as the width of the slit. Now as I'm going higher, I'm increasing that measurement, so I got to 2.5, 3 inches, 3.5, and then 4 inches. Now the reason is because the part where the width of the slit is 4 inches is going to be at my waist, so it's going to be where the skirt will fit my waist, and obviously my waist is smaller than my hip, so that is why I made it 4 inches at that point, so that it gets tighter at the waist area, and then the rest of the skirt is not as tight as the waist. So I started
from the bottom it's 2 inches, and then as I got to the hip area it became 2.5 inches. As I went higher on along the waist, or higher up the skirt, it became 3 inches, 3.5, and then it ended at 4 inches. So that's basically it. So when you're done, you're going to have little slits all the way along that side of the skirt, and I'm going to show you guys how I wear it. And definitely you can use it for like a beach cover up. You don't have to, you can basically wear it to anywhere, and this is what you have. So it could be like a beach cover up. You could actually wear it to, I'm actually gonna wear it out because I like it. It's a cute mini bodycon skirt. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.